Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your science teacher Abda Nihal. Welcome you in science class from Multan Public School and College. Our today's topics are heredity, basis of heredity, variations, Watson and Crick model of DNA. Dear students, already we have discussed about mitosis and meiosis. As you know that during reproduction, living things pass on their characteristics to their offsprings. This is the reason that babies look like their parents. Plants grown from seeds resemble their parent plants. Dear students, you have observed that the human beings all over the world, either they live in America, in Africa, in Pakistan, in India, or in Australia, they all resemble in physical features. They all have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 legs, 2 arms, and 1 nose. All the sheep walk on 4 legs, not on 2 legs. That means all living things resemble to their parents in physical features. Now dears, we will discuss what is heredity. The transmission of characteristics from parent to offsprings is called heredity. Hereditary characteristics: colors of eyes, skin color, hair color, free or attached earlobes, height, intelligence are the examples of the characteristics that are transmitted from parent to the offsprings and are called hereditary characteristics. But dears, you also have observed that not all 100% the same characteristics transferred from parent to offsprings. We know that children possess many features similar to those of their parents, but they also differ from their parents in certain respects. Likewise, brothers and sisters also show differences in certain respects. For example, their skin color, height, eye color, hair color differ with each other. All these differences to each other are called variations. What are variations? Differences among members of a family or a species are called variations. Beneficial variations. These variations are beneficial because it helps organisms to adopt their environment. That means they can live successfully, have greater chances of survival, and continue their race. Okay, dear students, you should do activity comparing hereditary characteristics that is mentioned on your book page number 22 on your books. Basis of heredity. The basic physical and functional unit of heredity is called gene. What are genes? Genes are instructions to make molecules called proteins. Genes occur in pairs. Every hereditary character in an organism, for example, tallness, dwarfness, eye color, free earlobe, attached earlobe, rolling of tongue, is controlled by a pair of genes. One member of a gene pair comes from male parent. Male parent means from father, while the other comes from female parent, means from mother, as we already have discussed it in meiotic 1 of meiosis. Dear students, now the question is that where are genes found physically? Genes are the sections of DNA molecule and are located on chromosomes. As different sections of DNA, Genes are a set of information for the development of different characters in an organism. DNA is called hereditary material. It is a very important point. DNA is called hereditary material. DNA and proteins are the components of chromosomes. Dears, I want to explain here that what are chromosomes. Chromosomes are thread-like structures found in the nucleus of a cell. They appear as distinct structure only during cell division. You can see in diagram as well. A typical chromosome consists of two arms called chromatids. Here you can again observe in the diagram that a single chromosome consists of two chromatids. Centromere. The point where chromatids are attached to the same part is called centromere. Keep it in mind. The centrally located dot you can see on the chromosome, that is the centromere. The point where chromatids are attached to the same part is called centromere. The number of chromosomes is specific and constant for every kind of species of organisms. In general, body cells that we call them somatic cells. The chromosomes occur in pairs, but the gametes, eggs or sperms or spores, which are formed by meiosis, contain one member of each chromosome pair. For example, in man, every somatic cell has 46 chromosomes in the form of 23 pairs, but every sperm or egg has 23 chromosomes. Number of chromosomes are different in different organisms. For example, in man there are 46 chromosomes, in monkey there are 48 chromosomes, in cats there are 30 chromosomes, in maize 20 chromosomes, onion 16 chromosomes, pea 14 chromosomes. Now dears, we will discuss about Watson and Crick model of DNA. Each DNA molecule is made up of thousands of small units called nucleotides. There are 4 types of nucleotides in DNA. These are adenine nucleotide, thymine nucleotide, cytosine nucleotide, guanine nucleotide. According to Watson and Crick, the DNA molecule consists of 2 strands formed of molecules, nucleotides. The 2 strands of DNA are linked to each other by cross bands like a ladder. Dears, you can observe in this diagram as well that DNA molecule in which the nucleotides are linked to each other, they are look like ladder. You can see in the DNA diagram nucleotides with different formulas as well. Okay dears, now you will do these short question answers on your notebooks. Question number 1. Define these: heredity, inheritable characters, gene, chromosomes, variations. Question number 2. Name the different types of nucleotides of DNA. Question number 3. Describe the characteristics that can be transferred from parents to offsprings. You have to mention over here more than 5 characteristics that are transferred from parents to offsprings. I hope that all of you have understood my topic, my lecture. Thank you.